नमस्कार बंधुरा गोपा चक्रवर्ती फ्रॉम ग्रीन हाउस कोलकाता। आज এনেছি প্রচুর শাড়ি, পুজো এসে গেল, কিছু ভালো কালেকশন এনেছি আজকে, which is easy to wear, easy to carry, কারণ এবার পুজোটা মনে হয় একটু গরমই থাকবে, তাই আমি চাইছি একেবারে একটু ব্রিজি শাড়ি দেওয়ার জন্য। তাতে আমি কোনো সিনথেটিক ইয়ার্ন আমার শাড়িগুলোতে ইউজ করি না, আমরা পিওর হ্যান্ডলুম শাড়ি দেখাবো আপনাকে, যেটা সবসময় আপনি ওয়্যার অ্যান্ড টিয়ারও সহ্য করবেন শাড়িগুলো, আর ইজিলি পরতে পারবেন আপনি শাড়িগুলো। তাই আমি এই সমস্ত শাড়ি নিয়েই আজকে আপনাকে দেখাবো, একটু ফেস্টিভ শাড়িগুলো, একটু ভালো অকেশনে পরার জন্যে, স্পেশালি মাই পার্সিস। চলো আমি দেখাই এবার। প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 1, look at the Parsi embroidery on a pista green. This is pista, pista green, gachi toshor. এগুলো কিন্তু wearable, they're not bulky, not cumbersome, light to carry, and আপনারা কাজটা দেখুন, so much work. They're all with stem stitches. Parsis mainly stem stitch use করে, and এগুলো অটোমেটিক মেশিনসে, কম্পিউটারাইজড মেশিনসের কাজ নয়, এগুলো হ্যান্ড মেশিন ওয়ার্ক and very light to carry, which is important for us. সুন্দর মোটিভস দেওয়া রয়েছে all throughout শাড়ি, দেখুন the densely done up, প্রচুর মোটিভস all throughout. What a lovely combination. There are around 10 colors used. 10 রঙের পার্সি, so many colors together. Blending টাও খুব সুন্দর হয়েছে, and this is priced 10,200. very light. আমি আসলে বলছি যদি আপনারা কম্পিউটার মেশিনসে শাড়ি করেন অনেক হেভি হয় to carry. These are all from hand machine work. This is for 10,200 please for this Parsi. See for yourself, skilled workers ra ei Parsi ta তৈরি করে, খুবই skilled. 10টা কালার আছে এই পার্সিতে, the shades also there, and the blouse section is a running blouse. You know, typical very conservative look. তাই আমি রানিং ব্লাউজও দিয়েছি, এগুলো সেম অলওয়েজ মিক্স ম্যাচ করে ব্লাউজ ইউজ করতে পারেন। Look at this, this is amazing. Look at the neatness of the work, stunning. এটা পরলেই খুব ভালো লাগবে, very rich look, royal. এটাও কিন্তু গাছি তসরে, পিওর গাছি তসর পার্সি ওয়ার্ক। আজকে আমি অনেক পার্সি ওয়ার্ক দেখাবো, and they're not computerized মেশিনসে অনেক পার্সি হয়, বাট এগুলো হ্যান্ড মেশিন পার্সিস। That is why there is no heaviness on the sari. Single thread দিয়ে কাজগুলো হয়, আর artisans are very skilled. খুব সুন্দর কাজ করছে। I was so happy to get this. Lot of colors, blending দেখুন colors এর। This sari cost 11,600. Look at this sari, ভালো করে দেখুন, দুদিকেই broad border, lot of work, intensity of the work দেখুন, প্রচুর কাজ। একটু আস্তে আস্তে শাড়িগুলো দেখাচ্ছি, you could see it nicely. I've got only a dozen pieces I think today to show you. This saree costs 11,600 please. 11,600 for this beauty. Ah, this is the pink one. Again, it had demand hobe onek. Look at this pink. This is styled like this, longitudinal. Kaj dekhun. Look at the craftsmanship. Lustrous pink. It's in soft, very soft kind of feel. After wearing the saree, देखो कत सुंदर. Look at the saree. I've been always fond of these Parsis. I wanted to get in a budget so that lot of us could use the sarees. Hand machine Parsis. Look at the workmanship, very light to carry, and the color pink. Shangatik Shundar Rong. Lot of motifs all throughout. And the blouse section. What a beautiful color. This is again the greenhouse product, best of quality. Gachi Toshor we are using, and they are all with anchor thread, best of thread. Look at the design, see it properly. So beautiful. This is for how much? 10,600 please. The saree costs 10,600. Very fashionable. This is fashionable actually. And the black queen. Trikuneta. The color matching, the color combination. This is the achal section. Hand machine embroidery. The work comes like this. Oh, this is beautiful. And they're all on Gachi Toshor. Best of Tussar. These are not cumbersome sarees. খুব ভারী সেরম নয়, আপনারা ইউজ করতে পারবেন এই শাড়িগুলো পরে, যে কোনো ছোটখাটো পার্টিতে যে কোনো একটুখানি পরাই যেতে পারে, খুব সুন্দর। আই হ্যাভ বিন অলওয়েজ লাইকিং এই পার্সি ওয়ার্ক, আমার এত ভালো লাগে, সো কালারফুল, আমার খুব সুন্দর লাগে পার্সি পরতে। পার্সি শাড়ি পরুন। They've used so many colors, around 10 colors. Blending of colors done with skilled workers. And this is the palla part. So very prominent. পরুন একটা পুজোতে একটা পার্সি পরুন। এবার আমরা পার্সি খুব হালকা, খুব সুন্দর, আমার তো সব থেকে কমফোর্টেবল লেগেছে এই শাড়িগুলো, খুব কমফোর্টেবল। একটা নিজের ওয়ার্ড্রোবে পার্সি হয়, সেই পার্সি এমব্রয়ডারি ভীষণ কালারফুল লাগে। ইয়া, এই গুজরাটি ডিজাইন ইজ আমাদের গ্রিন হাউসের ভেরি প্রমিনেন্ট ওয়ান, ভেরি ফেমাস ফ্রম গ্রিন হাউস। দিস ডিজাইন হেভিলি অনেক কাজ করা হয় এটাতে। There's lot of demand. Look at this is the Kutch work. Gujarati stitches. Sari number 5. Look at the sari. This is also on Gachi Toshor. আমি প্রথমেই বললাম যে প্রত্যেকটা শাড়ি খুব কমফোর্টেবল, as they are not on any kind of synthetic material used, any Korean silk, no, not that. They're all on Gachi Toshor. Look at the palla part. Hand embroidered, complete hand embroidered sarees. Beautiful piece. This is for 11,000. Look at the saree, the drape and the palla section and the blouse piece. Look at this. This time used multicolored thread for this Gujarati saree again. Complete Gachi Toshor. Total Gachi Toshore. This is the beautiful Achal section. Very fine work. Look at the intricacy of the work. Multicolored one. And the second half of the sari goes like this. Such rich. This is the pleated part. Sorry, this is the pleated part, and the rest of the sari is the same. This is the pleated part. Don't pull the sari. The sari is like this. This is the pleated part. And the section is like this. So very gorgeous. Dekhun eta koto sundor. And this is the palla. So first half and the pleats. Mirrors are stitched, mirrors have been used, and the rest of the sari is like this. And the blouse piece, you could use some other colors with this to highlight the sari. You can use something of the other color. This the price of the sari is 11,000. This is for 11,000 on Gachi Toshor. This is on Kosa Tussar. Applique work on Kosa Tussar. Gujarati border has been attached on the sari with fishbone embroidery. This is the fishbone embroidery. This is on Kosa Tussar. The peach one. I'll take out the sari. with this kind of aanchal. And the color of the sari, it's an applique work on kosa tussar, peach kosa tussar. This costs 11,000 with the running blouse. This is the blouse section with the cord piping. Yeah, now the greenhouse kathas. This is on Shonamukhi silk. Shonamukhi silk e katha dekhacchi amra. This is on Shonamukhi silk. Katan silk. Look at the aanchal section. Fineness of the work, single thread, the paisleys, they've highlighted, the sari is highlighted with lot of intricate designs. You see the workmanship. Artisans are so very skilled, goodness, how they manage. Look at the sari. It's a black silk and the peacock blue and green combination has been used. The masterpiece one. It's very beautiful. People should enjoy watching also. অনেক পরিশ্রম, একটু কাছ থেকে ভালো করে ফোকাস করতে হবে যাতে and the border part. Look at the skill. It's beautiful katha. Took so long to make it. They were telling they took about 6 months to make this katha. Slowly they could do it. The sari cost 22,000 dear. 22,000 for this one. Blouse piece dekhana hoyni na? Show me the blouse piece. Blouse section, sorry. This is the blouse section of the sari. This is the blouse section. And this is on Katan silk, very beautiful one. Oh, this is the Gachi Tasar one again. Kaj dekhun. কাঁথা দেখাতে গেলেই আমার খুব মনটা ভালো হয়ে যায়। আই এম সো হ্যাপি, ভালো লাগে কাঁথা দেখাতে আমার। লুক এট দ্য ওয়ার্কম্যানশিপ। এক একটা পেজলি দেখুন হাউ ওয়েল দে হ্যাভ কার্ভড। সম্পূর্ণ হাতের কাজ, দেয়ার অল হ্যান্ড ওয়ার্ক। দিস ইজ দ্য আঁচল পার্ট and here goes the, look at the combination of colors. I should talk less and show you more. দেখো কত সুন্দর, দেখুন, এনজয় করুন। I've got a few more to show you. Best of kathas this time. Look at my kathas. So very beautiful. This is 13,400, please. 13,400. And the sari is like this. Come to my store, dekhun kacher nin. The touch feel factor is always there. I'm so confident. Apni ashun dekhe shari nin. Look at the sari. Look at the fall, look at the sari, look at the grace. Ki shundur. So beautiful. And the blouse section. Always mix match ek to blue color, maybe peacock blue or sea green. You could use that cloth for this blouse. And another one left for you. This is also a grand one. Look at the color, golden yellow mustard. Color I am unable to describe. They're so beautiful. With a contrast achal. Focus it, my dear, properly. The evenness of the stitches, and they're all with single thread. Maybe it gives a heavy look, but it's easy to wear, very light to wear. And these are the paisleys. And the broad border, skirt border. Look at the sari. So very beautiful. And the gachi tussar. The best of gachi, which is 48 inches width. Width is 48 inches. And it will steal the show. Eta dekhao. The blouse section. So heavily done up. Once more, let me show you. There's the masterpiece. It's worth showing. And dear, please share my channel. It means a lot to me. A lot of people could see my products. And please do subscribe. Share my channel, let people also enjoy the skilled work of my artisans. This costs 24,000. 24,000 for this piece. All throughout. So much even, the work is so very beautiful. Come on, grab, I have only one piece. Whichever sari you are liking, please send me a screenshot. And this is one more gachi tashur. All on gachi tashur. Warp and webbed both the sides with gachi tashur. Yeah. Very ornamental design. Look at this one. Watch carefully. Dekhon ki shundar. Very ornamental. So artistic. This is on gachi tashur. This is the palla part, which runs like this. This is the palla. And all throughout colorful. They're all katha stitches. Bharat kora katha dekhun. Very graceful attire. Khub sundar. কাঁথা দেখাতেই আমার ভালো লাগে, কাঁথা দেখালে মন ভালো হয়ে যায় আমার। আজ Parsis were also nice. 10,200 for this katha. 10,200 for this piece. And the blouse goes like this. Number 12. We have reached number 12. I have one more left with me. Number 12. Batiks. Greenhouse without batiks. Bhabte hi para jay na. So they're batiks. The crack batik with triangles. They are not applique work. They are on the sari. The work is done on the sari after dyeing to give it a angular look. This is the Aanchal section. The sari goes, throughout the sari is the same. It's like this. Lovely color, very bright and beautiful. This is on Bangalore silk. Best of Bangalore silk. And this is the part of the blouse. There is also katha, zigzag style katha. Darun Shundur. Oh, the price is how much? 8,200 for this piece. 8,200 for this katha. 8,200 for this katha. Yeah, this is the best of the lot. For me, I kept it, but I'll show you later. This is the 13th one. But lucky for so many people, the 13th one. Look at this. Look at the designing. Dekho, the paisley is this total different effect. Designing of this part. হাতগুলোই বাঁধিয়ে রাখার মতন। And the color, Tejpata rong. It's a bay leaf color. Look at this side. This is the palla. This is also in Gachi Tashur. See the width of they are specially woven for greenhouse. 48 to 50 inches in width. 24,000 for this beauty. Look at the workmanship. Very skilled women artisans are doing my work. I salute them. Why are you not pulling it hard? Okay, the sari goes like this because but that's all for today. I've shown you. This is the blouse section. Oh, blouse is also a wonderful thing. Look at the blouse section. So today I have shown you 13 of my puja creations, and enjoy watching and let me know what you have liked from our show, and I'll be coming with a new episode again. Thank you.